How to add debit card to Zelle. But before that, if you don't know what is Zelle, it is a digital payment network that allows users to send and receive money quickly and securely using just an email address or mobile phone number. And from now, to start adding a debit card on Zelle, all you need to do first is to simply download using your mobile phone on App Store or Google Play Store. And after that, by opening it, it will show you in here this page. So just proceed by clicking the Get Started button, or you could also click the Sign In button to sign in your account. Then you will be directed on this page, in which it will show you that you firstly need to enter your mobile phone number in here and click the Continue button. And once done, you could also need to check some of the security and privacy terms and condition by checking this circle right here and click the Continue button to proceed. And then from here, you can simply search your bank that you want to connect. So for instance, I'm going to go to the search bar and kindly enter Bank of and it will show you a variety of result. However, in this part, there is no a debit card option available, so all you need to do is to simply search some other bank that are not integrated on Zelle. Then you should be able to see here this result, don't see your bank button. So kind of click this button right here, then you will automatically be directed on the page where you can start adding your debit card. Firstly, enter your debit card number, your first name, your last name, the expiration date, and even the security code or CVV, and click the continue button to proceed adding it successfully. And overall, that is just basically how you can add debit card to Zelle.